Welcome to the Mortgage Classroom. One of the questions that I often get asked is, can I prepay my mortgage or can I set up bi-weekly mortgage payments? And the answer to both of those is, in most cases, absolutely. Prepaying your mortgage essentially is paying more than what your monthly obligation is on your mortgage. So as an example, if your mortgage payment is $1,000 per month, you could pay $1,100. That additional $100 is going to go directly to the principal balance. By doing that, you're shortening the term of your loan and reducing the interest cost. You could also set up your mortgage payment to do a bi-weekly mortgage payment. That means every 2 weeks, you're going to be making 1/2 of your mortgage payment. The net result over a year is making 13 payments instead of 12, thus reducing the interest cost and shortening the term of your loan. If you've got additional questions about prepaying your mortgage or setting up bi-weekly to pay your mortgage off quicker, please reach out to me today. Love to answer your questions.